Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your Aura frame. This one is a Carver model, but similar process will apply to other models in the range. So first of all, we're going to do it on the app, and then I'm going to show you what happens when the next person gets it, because it will also start erasing when the actual next person turns it on. So the idea is that in this instance here, I've got two photo frames and I want to remove this one here and give it to somebody else. So I'm going to go into the Aura app, and you need to choose the frame that you want to delete. So right now there's two frames here, Emma's frame and hallway frame. I'm going to be deleting the hallway frame, so I'm going to tap on that. And then when I'm on the hallway frame here, I'm just going to tap on the little icon just under where it says hallway frame, where it's the person's name. I'm going to tap on that there, and I'm going to go into the person's name here. And you see there's three little dots just up here on the right hand side. That's what we need to press. And it says leave and factory reset frame. So I'm going to tap that there, and it says, are you sure this cannot be undone? Once you choose to leave, the frame will be reset and will have to be set up again as a new frame to continue using it. So we're going to go to reset, and it says resetting the frame. So you see it's turned itself up here. And now if I go back into here, the app, can you see now that frame's gone? And if you have a look here, can you see that it's actually turning itself off? So now what we're going to do is, I'm just going to let it do its thing for a couple of minutes. So don't do anything yet, let it just do its thing for a while. I'll fast forward through this. And then we're going to set it up again, and you'll see then it will come up with erasing. So there you go, you can see that the screen's gone off, and then it says please add photos in the Aura app. So we're going to unplug it from the back. We're going to pretend now that we've sold it or given it to someone else. This is how they're going to receive it. They're then going to plug it in. It's going to start itself up, and this is going to be setting it up from new. But when the next person sets it up, it will then say that it needs to erase the photos from it, even though we've just factory reset it then. Just fast forwarding through this bit. And I've closed the app down on here as well. So obviously I'm setting it up with the same app, but the new person will be using their version of the app. There we go. So in the new person's house, this is what they're going to see, and they're going to go into the Aura app here. So now the next owner is going to go into here. They're going to add a new frame. And it's going to say it's for me, if it is for me, and it says plug your frame in, it's powered on, which it is, and can you see it's brought up this number here, so go to next, but watch what it says now. It says you are not a member of this frame. You can contact a member to request an invitation or erase the frame and set it up as new. Erasing the frame will remove all images and members and restore it to factory settings. So we're going to hit erase and reset all settings, and watch this now. Frame reset is in progress. If you look at the screen here on the frame, it will actually say, I'm just going to press OK here, it will come up with erasing. There you go, erasing. And there we go, it's coming back alive again now. Now that process did take about 2 or 3 minutes. I'll put up the exact time on the screen. So it's a bit strange how it does the full erasing when the next owner has it, and not when the previous owner wants to get rid of all the data and stuff. But as far as I know, I don't think you can access that data because you haven't got permission on the app. But there you go, you can see how to factory erase it, and then the process of what happens after that as well. I hope this video has helped you out. If it has, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching.